For the last video in this series, we're going to create a macro that combines all our other macros into one so that you can clean this data with the click of a button. We're going to create a new public subroutine and we're going to call it clean combo. So we're going to bring in our fixed dates, our fixed time, our fixed column width, and the remove empty columns. To do this, we simply write the names of the macros that we want to bring in. And since these have no parameters, we just need the names. So we have fixed dates, fixed times, fixed column width, and remove empty columns. Reset, save, and run. And we've cleaned our data with one macro. So the next thing we want to do is take all of our macros and create buttons. To do this, we need to go into the custom ribbon. And here we will insert a new tab, and we'll call this Simple Macros. We will create a new group, and we will call it Clean Combo. Next, we will go into the Macros tab, select Fixed Dates, and add it to Clean Combo. And from here, we will rename it and give it a different icon to make it look pretty. And we'll do that with the Fixed Times, rename. Now the fixed columns, and the remove empty columns, and finally the clean combo. So now we want to test our buttons. Here's fixed dates, fixed time, fixed column width, remove empty columns. A lot of our code is repetitive. You may think it would be easier to create a macro that performs all of these functions in one. And that is possible, but we want to start thinking about designing our macros in a way that utilizes modularization. Each one of these macros can be called with other projects. In some cases, we will only want to perform one of these actions. Keeping our macros simple and only performing a single task will keep our code clean and easy to read. So the last thing I want to show you in this video is how to call these macros from a different module. For this, we will create a new module and call it New Clean. In it, we will create a public subroutine and call it New Clean. And all we have to do is type the name of the module that our macros are in. And as you can see, the choices of the macros from that module are in the drop-down box. And that brings us to the end of this project.
Please join me for the next series or project at Academy 201.